Hello students, welcome in my own classes. Today we will learn how we can download and install Python IDLE for Windows. To download the Python IDLE, open your browser, type here download Python, press enter. Now you can see here there is the first link, that is www.python.org. Click on the first link and here you can see there is a menu, that is downloads. In this menu you have to select on the Windows because we are going to download Python for the Windows. If you have Mac operating system, so you can select this one. Okay, then I am just going to click on the Windows option. You can see here Python releases for Windows. There is many more versions for the Windows, but we have to search here 3.7.9. Okay, so you can search by manually, and otherwise you can press the Control F to find the version. So I'm pressing the Control F, and here 3.7.9. Now you can see here this version has appeared here, and you have to note that Python 3.7.9 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier. Just see, uh, this version is not available for Windows XP. Okay, and you can install it for the Windows 10, Windows 7. Now to install this, firstly we have to download its installer. So click on the third link, that is for the 64-bit, and click here. And now it has started to download, and now you can see here it has downloaded. Now we have to go on our download option, and otherwise I can go from here also. So I'm clicking here and show in folder. Now you can see here there is a Python application. Now to we have completed here downloading of the IDLE, Python IDLE. Now there is time to install this. To install this, press here, double click, and now you can see this pop-up window has appeared. Now you have to click on this checkbox, add Python 3.7 to path, to add its path. Check this box, and after that click on the install. Now one pop-up window will also appear here. Then you have to click on the yes button, and now you can see setup progress. It is about to install. Now till then I'm just going to close other tabs and windows, and we will wait for the for its installation process. It can take few minutes, so we have to wait. It will take few minutes, but it will start soon. Now it has started Python 3.7.9, and its installing process has started, and within a minute it will successfully installed. So now few seconds are left to install this. After that it will complete. Now it is collecting all the packages of Python. So that's why it is taking little bit time. But you can see here in the bar, only few part has left. Now it will soon complete. So now you can see here setup was successful. It's mean we have installed the Python ideally. To open this, I'm just closing this, and after that to open the Python ideally, I'm going to click on the start button here. Type here ideally Python. Okay, if you are typing the ideally, then you can see there is the option Python 3.7.64 bit. Just click on this option. And now you can see shell mode has appeared. Now you can type here anything. I'm just writing here print welcome in Python world and press enter. Now you can see it is successfully running. So now we have learned how we can download and install Python ideally. And thank you for this session.